Thank you.
Look it. Look it, Mama. I got marker. I got marker.
And you can clean it too. You can clean it, can't you? You can clean it with your special towel. Good job.
Look at him.
I like that.
Look at this. Look at this.
That's a J right there.
Look at this.
That's an M.
Look at this.
That's an O.
What's that?
That's a Q.
What's that?
P. E.T. Now clean it up with the towel. Put the lid on the marker. Good job.
Right there.
Oh, I like to clean. Do you like to clean, Landry? E.T., you like that toy in the wrapper?
You like it? Mama, open the
I think she likes it in the wrapper. You give it back to her. Good job, thank you. Do you like your marker, Landry? Need more?
Mama, open it. Tell
Look at that. I like that.
Mama, open it.
You want to open it?
No, Mama, open it. Mama, open it.
To this page?
Mama, open it.
Okay.